guys, Landon from Central Texas Harley-Davidson. I want to show you what we built for this customer. This is a 2020 Road Glide Ultra that we went ahead and put a fully compliant 131 kit in. It's going to have the same horsepower as the last couple. We haven't put it on the dyno yet just because of the low mileage. We did put a smart tune on this one, so it will be in the area of 130 horse and probably 138 foot-pounds of torque. We'll start up at the front. This has a full Olin system for the suspension, front and back on it. We added a complete additional lighting for this customer, as you can see, and it does light up the road really, really well. And on the motor, the customer went with a blackout kit to cover the rocker box and the lifter support cap and covers. The cam is a 515 to keep it compliant with the Harley warranty. He picked out a Fltrxs seat with obviously a rider backrest. Really comfortable. I was on it earlier today. Really comfortable seat. We have saddlebag lights. We have a detachable tour pack. On the slip-ons, we decided to go with the RINEHART TBX 45s. That is a really good sounding system, and we'll have a sound clip at the end of the video so you can hear what it sounds like. Up front, we did a factory 47 14-inch bar setup with KAHUNA heated grips. What we also added that seems to be common with a lot of builds we're doing right now is a Dakota digital gauge setup. Really nice setup, guys. Okay, so if this is one of our bikes for a customer, but we'd be more than happy to build you one. So if this is something that interests you, give us a call. Central Texas Harley-Davidson in Round Rock, 512-652-1200. Thanks.